in whom I'm so well pleased. This is a Lamb of God who takes away the sins of the world. Takes away the sins of the world. Takes away the sins of the world. On this name I will build.
This is the coat. I'm trying it. Not ready. It means the sleeve. So after, but material. Now I have the sleeve fixed in the jacket, but not sewn. Welcome to my channel. Today this is another tutorial jacket without collar. Collar is simple dress jacket from Burda modern. So it's old magazine, old modern magazine catalog, but I find it nice and I like the style. And on this paper is in D, and I'm going to trace it on my baking sheet or rubber. This rubber. So let's get to it. Please, if you see this tutorial interesting, please give me like on my YouTube channel, subscribe and share. God bless you. For God so loved the world, He gave His one and only, that whosoever believe in Him will never perish. So we are in another year, and this is a word of blessing for each and every one. Stay blessed in Jesus' name. The back is unfold, and then I can get the front on the other side, and then the sleeve on the other side. Okay, so I've placed it here. Unfold, and when I sew it, I'll join the middle, because more of the coats, they join the middle, they join the back. So I'll join them back, and then the front is unfold. So This is the front for the front. So the front is here, and then I'll place, because my material is not too large. The material is, I bought it, the front, I'm cutting it. I have to measure it, my tape. Okay. Let's say 13. 13. So I know how to. So I have to cut facing, and then, alright. Pocket. And then the back, the neck, I have to cut it. So already finished cutting. This is the sleeve, the top side, and then this is the down side. I'll join together. I'll show. This is the back. The back, I'll join here, and then make a dart, and then make a dart, make a dart, and then the neck, and then I'll cut also lining for it. And this is the front, and then the front lining facing. I'll also cut lining to it. So, and I'll make that also to it. Yes, the facing, I'll place Vaseline abrasive. I'll iron abrasive on the facing, and then because I'll make bottom hole on it. So let's get do it. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless you. I'll sew it. I'm going to sew it. The line will come under the armpit in the back, and after I've sew, I sew, and the bottoms, always the bottom is on this place, the back side. This is Ankara design coats, sewing, cutting, sewing.
I will give you the keys of heaven, and the gate of edges will not overcome. Whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven. Whatever you lose on earth will be lost in heaven. I say this is the Lamb of God, who takes away the sins of the world.
In the beginning was the Word, yeah. And the Word was with God, yeah. And the Word was God. And through him all things were made, yeah. In him was the light, and light shine on darkness. The darkness didn't understand. And then came a man to be a witness to the light. And check it out, his name was John, but he himself was not the light. The light that gives life to man. The light is coming, yeah. And the glory of the Lord will be revealed to all mankind. You will see, you will see, you will see. So give thanks to the God of gods. His love endures forever. Give thanks to the King of kings. His love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord of lords. His love endures forever. So all you sinners out there that really don't care, be aware the Lord is coming back again. And don't be afraid, because of grace and mercies endure forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
This is my beloved Son, in whom I'm so well pleased. This is the Lamb of God, who takes away the sins of the world. Who takes away the sins of the world. Build my church, keys of heaven, keys of heaven, yeah. Overcome will be bound in heaven. Oh, what you lose on earth will be lost in heaven. I say yes, is the Lamb of God.
Yeah, 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 yeah. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only son, yeah, that whosoever believeth in him would not perish but have every life forever. God didn't send his only son to condemn the world, but to save the world. He's the voice of one calling in your life. Yeah, he prepared the way for the Lord, make a straight path in your life. You know what I mean? Every valley will raise up, and all the mountains will be low, and every rough place will be plain, and the glory of the Lord will be revealed forever and ever. Check it out, y'all. Ho! All mankind will see him in his glory. So give thanks to the Lord, the most holy. So give thanks unto the Lord of lords. His love endures forever and ever. So give thanks unto the King of kings. His love endures forever and ever. So give thanks to God of gods. His love endures forever and ever. So make a yeah, 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 yeah.
Who takes away the sins of the world.